Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure performance metrics with Klaviyo step by step clearly. First, log in to your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Reports tab. Choose the Performance Metrics section from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a variety of metrics available for analysis. Select the specific campaign you want to analyze. Click on the campaign to open its detailed report. Now, review the key performance indicators displayed. Pay attention to open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. Next, identify trends by comparing metrics over different time periods. To secure these insights, export the report by clicking on the Export option. Choose your preferred file format, either CSV or PDF. Once you confirm the export, the file will begin downloading. After downloading, open the file to ensure all data is intact. If you need to share this data, compose an email with the exported file attached. In the email, include a brief overview of the campaign performance. Encourage your team to review the metrics to inform future strategies. Lastly, schedule regular checks on performance metrics to stay updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.